Hello, everyone. A few days ago, Microsoft's Edge_TDS text-to-speech interface was blocked for all mainland IPs. This caused all the apps that shelled Edge_TDS in China to hang. Enchanting. This time, I'll share an alternating solution. Or Microsoft's Azure TDS service. This service can have 5 hours of voice generation per month in a single area. If that's not enough, you can open another account and subscribe for free. Keep whoring out Microsoft. First, open the official Microsoft subscription link. Just click to subscribe. The resource creation page then opens. Create a new resource group. Name TDS. Region select East Asia. Just enter a name of your own for the name. Pricing tier selection free F0. After creating a resource, click Go to Resource. Click to manage secret key. Just copy the secret key. Afterwards, open the integration package. Double-click Run. BAT. Enter text here. Paste the secret key you just copied here. Fill in the tones here. You can refer to the official Microsoft tone documentation. Suggest a multilingual version, the rhymes will be better.
你好，这里是测试。
The audio is synchronized in the project's directory.
你好，这里是测试。
Change the tone.
牛逼了，兄弟们，突破3500点了，兄弟们，6000点指日可待啊，兄弟们，3根大阳线，兄弟们，又粗又大又红的大阳线啊，兄弟们，记吃不记打呀，兄弟们，新韭菜帮老韭菜解套了呀，牛逼了，兄弟们。
Test English.
A, B, C, D, E, F, G, Chat, GPT, did you know? The Bushmen of the Kalahari Desert in Africa are said to have 2 types of hunger, the hungerer known as hungry, and the great hungerer. The hungry refers to those who are physically hungry, while the great hungerer refers to those who are thirsting for the meaning of life.
Above, thank you for watching. Here is Lu Yu's technology blog.